Hello guys, hello viewers, welcome to Exhibit Africa, the Spirit of Africa. My name is Christine and I'm your host for the day, and I'm here to share some of the music I've compiled over the years. This music is composed, most of it is composed of Africa's legends. So it's a mix of traditional and it's also a mix of contemporary music. And so today I'm going to be sharing another artist with you. And that artist obviously comes from this beautiful continent of Africa. And that artist comes from a country, another beautiful country on the continent, that is Guinea. Guinea, that's where we're going to be sharing. So Guinea right there. And please don't confuse that with Equatorial Guinea. There's two different countries. There's Equatorial Guinea and then there's Guinea. So I'm going to be sharing music from Guinea, which is in West Africa. So please stay tuned. Hopefully that we get to dance to the music and we get to enjoy this music, okay? So once again, welcome to Exhibit Africa and sharing the spirit of Africa. So one of the artists that I'm going to be sharing is, his name goes by Mory Kanté, and you may have heard some of his music from some movies in this from North America. But I'll share more about this legend, and unfortunately he passed on. But again, as we say, legends never die. So we're gonna be sharing his music with you. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna be sharing the sounds of Mory Kanté. For those who might not know Mory Kanté, let's see, we have some more details about him here, and let's go through the details. So Mory Kanté was a Guinean vocalist, a player of the kora harp. He's also best known internationally for his 1987 song Yeke Yeke, and I'll be sharing that with you, which reached #1 in Belgium, Finland, and the Netherlands and Spain. The album it came from is called Akwaba Beach, which was the best-selling African record of his time. Okay, so he was born in 1950 in Conakry, Guinea, and he was a songwriter and a singer, and he also played instruments like the the kora, and he also did the vocals. And one of his first songs that we're gonna share today, that is the song which I really like the sounds of this. It's a mix of, so he mixes his music with the traditional with the kora, which is an traditional instrument that is very common common with most of the West African artists. And he also mixes some Western instruments in his music. So let's start off with this song, which I really enjoyed. And let's please come along and dance with me. Okay, here we go.